Welcome, fellow video editor. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to learn how to zoom in a particular part of a video. So I have a video here that I've gotten from Pexels. We're going to drag that into the timeline. What we're going to do is find a spot on our video where you want to zoom in on her. And I think I'm going to go for about the 6-second mark. So I'm going to zoom in on her face when this hits 6 seconds. So what we want to do is hold down our Alt key, drag up to make a copy, and then we're going to head over into the color page. Now if your window isn't open, that's this icon right here. You want to click this circle to open this window. Now we want to use a circle in this case. You could use a square, but in this case we're going to use a circle. The outer edge of this circle creates softness, so you know. In this case, we're not going to create any softness. I'm going to put that directly over her face, about so. And this is softness. I don't want any softness, so I'm going to close that up. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to right click and we're going to add alpha output. We're going to connect this up to create a mask like so. And now we've created a mask. You can see it here. We're going to jump back over into the edit page. I'm going to turn this bottom track off. Now you can see. So what we're going to do is go a few frames back from where you want it to start. And we're going to come up here and check all of these and set a keyframe. Now what we're going to do is come back to that point where you want it to zoom in. And we're going to zoom in right there at that point. You can change your X and Y position. I'm just going to change my zoom and my X. So that's set a keyframe there. Then I'm going to come ahead some more frames because I want it to hold for this amount of length. And I'm going to set another keyframe. So that's our third keyframe. From the second keyframe to this third keyframe is how long that zoom will hold. So now we're going to move ahead again and set another keyframe for everything, and we're just going to double click and set everything back to normal. So you have 4 sets of keyframes. So I'm going to re-enable this track. We're going to hit home on our space bar, home on our keyboard to rewind, and we're going to play that ahead. So we click our play button there, and we can see, and there it's zoomed in on her face and back to normal. We'll play it again. It zooms in right there. We see her face and then it zooms back out. Pretty simple, guys. Another easy one for you. So if you learned anything, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.